Today we will show you the operation and installation of solar watering pump. Let's get started. Equipped with a wealth of accessories for you to choose from. First, download HOMGAR app on your mobile phone in advance to prepare for our subsequent operations. Plug in the power cord to power up the gateway. Press and hold the button for 3 to 4 seconds to make the blue light enter quick flash mode. Open HOMGAR app, click the plus sign, select Mini Hub to add Wi-Fi and enter the password. Note that you need to select 2.4 GHz or dual band Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi is added successfully, the device will be automatically searched. If the device is successfully added, the blue light of the gateway will not flash and you can use it. The solar water pump and its solar panels can be adjusted at multiple angles, and the hook on the back can also be flexibly adjusted 360 degrees. To power on, just take out the insulation sheet from the battery compartment and reinstall it to use. When the battery is low, it can be charged through the Type-C interface or the top solar panel. Press and hold the set button for 3 to 4 seconds to make the indicator light fast. Add the solar water pump through the gateway, and the device will automatically search. Once the addition is successful, you can set the plan for the water pump. Filter effectively removes impurities from water. Check valve prevents water in the water pipe from flowing back into the water pump. In addition, it is also equipped with many different installation interfaces, allowing you to freely mix and match when connecting pipes. After preliminary preparation, we only need to install the one with the filter at the water inlet and the one with the check valve at the water outlet to start using it. At the same time, you can also customize your watering plan through the linked mobile app. Set a one-time watering time at the current time, or you can set multiple plans instead of different watering frequencies in the same time period, etc. You can also set a rainy day delay function to help you provide convenience in different weather conditions. In addition to the app's remote intelligent customization plan, it can also supply water by long pressing the manual watering button, providing convenience for you when it is inconvenient to use your mobile phone. You can also prepare or purchase different styles of sprinklers to water your own DIY garden.